Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to practice trading on MetaTrader 4. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open a MetaTrader 4 account. After that, all you want to do is click on quotes. And as you can see, there is simple and advanced trading. Just pick one and click it, and click on trade. Now, you can either buy or sell it. For example, I want to sell this. Click on done. You can also add another trading. You can buy it, you can change your trading, and click on done. That's how you can practice your trading on MetaTrader 4. Just make sure to analyze the market and data, and that's how you can become proficient in trading. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.